Hi, I'm Yunika Tanzil and I'm a composer and pianist from Indonesia, now based in Los Angeles. So to capture this sense of nature, I intentionally use instruments that are mostly orchestral, that uses natural resources such as wood. So blending this very Western classical sound and also this Eastern sound from the akun, to me is just a really fun way of experimenting these two different identities that have been part of my musical journey until today.